Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Twitter bird from the website Twitter, from the app. I like Twitter. I think it's cool. I don't use it that often, but I think that the logo is really neat, and I turned it into a little character, a bird, and that's what we're going to do. Fun, simple, completely for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner, you will be able to do this. Pretty much it. Let's jump right into it. Stay all the way to the very end because this is a really short one, okay? Let's check it out. Alrighty, let's go over here and draw this thing. I'll be honest, I'm like not on Twitter a whole lot. I mean, I am on there, I guess, but I don't really post a bunch. Curve. Kind of zigzagged, have a little bit of feathery kind of feel to it. Curve down for kind of the front of the bird's head. Out over here. In. Out one more. In. So you got like the bird's mouth right there. Curve. I'm gonna go over here to the back of the wing over here. Pull up. Down. Curve up. Down. Curve up. Down. Alrighty. Simple so far. Alright. I'm gonna go over to the front and I'm gonna kind of like capture this line at the end of that, I'm gonna kind of measure it out. And I'm gonna swoop it over, right? That's kind of just kind of swoop it over in one line. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe if you like learning how to draw stuff. Basically, if you're sitting around and you're like, oh, I'm a little bit bored, what do I do? Take the time to kind of improve yourself, right? Like to kind of like draw something new. It stimulates your mind. You learn something new. You improve the skill that you already have. Or you can watch this and just kind of enjoy it as entertainment. And you also, through osmosis, kind of helps you improve in a way. But if you like that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe and click the bell notification. When you do that, you're going to see it on your feed. So it's very, very simple, non-invasive. You're just going to be scrolling around and then boom, like a video will be like, hey, how to draw Twitter, how to draw a dinosaur, how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog, how to draw Pokemon. Something like that will pop up. You'll see that preview and you can decide whether you want to draw that day with me or you can just watch. It's a great, great time. I encourage you to please subscribe if any of that's even mildly worth your time. And there's no downside to it. So, ready? We go over here. I'm going to pull back. Pull back. And then lastly, out a little bit. I'm going to do like the end of the tail right there. Right on. Going to go over here and you can kind of, everybody can make up their own kind of bird, but so his eye, I'm going to go over here, curve, just make almost a full eye. Pretty much a full eye. Line over here down. Curve underneath. Fill that out. Right on. So this like chill bird vibe, right? He's just carrying on with his day. He's whistling. He's just having fun. Yeah, you can try to impose anything you want onto. But mainly what you want is that general shape of the Twitter bird. And he's going to be blue. We're going to go in and color him in a bit here. And I want to do a different color scheme for his belly right here. Oops. Draw a thin line over here. Back. Thin line over here. Going down. So you have his belly. That's colored a little bit different. Everything else, though, you want to keep it simple like this. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to hop into the color. We're going to hop into it, okay? So let's get started. What I want you to do first, hit the like button. And I want you to subscribe and go check out the cool links in the description after this. All right, let's jump into the color. It's gonna be a speed coloring, so let's do it. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up.
And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.